Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I would show you how to update Android 2025. Let's begin! In order to update your Android device, all you want to do is simply go to the settings, and in the settings you want to scroll down until you will see System. In the system you want to simply go to your software updates, and as you can see, this way we can check if we have our system update. You can also click on it to make sure that our system is up to date. Now obviously this might depend on your device and it might look a little bit different, but update options basically are almost always in the system options. So you should be able to find them without any issue. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.